Take cross 9 right, here Charlie, left on November, short pop,
4-8 rise, take off, Southwest 54.
jump from 3, 11 Tower, right, run play. You're right now, window.
1000.
Stop 1378, taxi 515. Basically, go to 1378.
Atlanta Tower, right, run
500.
5.8 right, about 2365.
400. Approaching minimums.
Double 24.
Double 1376 to pop across going out of left to a minimum 0.75.
300 minimums. 200.
4 heavy traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach end. Crossing left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi level 8.
100.
Okay, clear to cross, 8 left at
50,
hotel, hold
40,
8 right,
30,
give way to the-
retard.
set at 7.4.
Retard.
Give way to FedEx at hotel.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, about 2238.
FedEx 2724, heavy change to tower frequency 125.32.
2532, FedEx 724.
85 heavy power, 11708, runway 8 left for land. That was 4690, exit at taxiway Bravo 11, taxi Victor.
Bravo 11, victory.